I'm Frederick.
I'm Greg, and we are.
It's another name.
And so tell me, what did you guys find in the Lost Realm?
So just for a little backstory of the Lost Realm, the inhabitants were discovered by Amerigo Vespucci in 1500. And for 604 years, the next 604 years, humans and all of human life called these creatures Vespucci. But something happened. In 2104, the new realm closed up, and everybody forgot about Vespucci. And it wasn't until 2684 when Merwinager Blandos rediscovered the Lost Realm and renamed the Vespucci to Dancy Boys.
Oh, do you have a picture of the Dancy Boys? Oh, wow.
This is the appearance of Hermer, which is the weirdest Dancy Boy. But this is the weirdest Dancy Boy. Most Dancy Boys are supposed to have organs hanging out and no skin. Also, most Dancy Boys don't have a head.
Really? And what about your mech warrior? Did your mech warrior help you out?
Yeah, he opened the gates.
He did.
He showed us the secret to opening
Yeah,
the gates.
he shot his beans.
Let me see him.
He shot his beans from his bean containers at him, and it just like
Nice.
the gate with.
So do you recommend us exploring the Lost Realm?
We do, just to find out more information about these Dancy Boys. Nobody really covered it in the 604 year that they were around, and nobody has covered it in the last 250 years. As now it is 2919.
Oh, and also I'm going to probably need you to scrape off those beans.
All right, good job, guys.